Voldis. How do you think you're going to be using the arrow principles in your lesson today?
Okay, the purpose within today's lesson is to try and get young people to, in some ways, start thinking outside of the box a little bit more with regards to the questioning that I may use as a teacher, but also in the types of questions that they might be wanting to ask in relation to their learning and the experiences that they're having in the classroom. By asking appropriate questions, or questions that are designed to seek out the subtleties in whatever the students are looking for or looking at, it enables their learning to progress, hopefully at a faster rate, and for learning to be deeper.
What will we see happening to make the learning visible in this lesson? Okay,
the opening section of the lesson involves the students being presented with a very short video clip of a quick dress act, whereby it's very difficult to ascertain exactly what is going on. This should be triggering in the young people's minds a whole range of questions of why, how, what would, and such like, so that this will then lead them to taking these types of questioning skills and strategies into their study of sociology. So the young people see the video clip, they'll have the opportunity initially to reflect upon what they've seen and complete an activity which is called Lost in Thought. Gives them an opportunity to reflect and produce up to 6 particular points of view, their reflections about what they've seen. They'll then be given an opportunity to talk to a peer about what they've seen and to sort of share their ideas based on the thoughts they've put down on the paper. They'll then be given a second opportunity to have a look at the video clip, and then hopefully that's going to help refine their thinking skills. It's going to help refine their questioning skills and give them an opportunity to think more deeply about the processes that are involved in the Quick Change Act, with a view to then translating the skills that they're developing by looking at that into asking deeper, more thoughtful, more thought-provoking questions about the study of sociology. I felt that the opening section of the lesson was a success. Some might be concerned about the amount of time that was spent as an opening section of a lesson, because it ran for approximately 20 minutes. But I feel that the learning habits that the young people were developing sort of permitted that sort of exaggerated use of time, if you like. Certainly by the time we got to the end of the section, I was asking the students to consider how what they'd seen in the Quick Dress Act reflected their thoughts about what was going to be going on in sociology. There were certainly 1 or 2 very thoughtful, thought-provoking answers from these students, where they showed a real in-depth understanding of what I was trying to elicit from them. One of the groups spoke about this idea of interpretation of reality and what they could see and how people see reality in different ways. And certainly with the Quick Change Act, people perceive that reality in different ways, and there was certainly a lot of discussion about how the 2 artists achieved what they achieved. And then the second, there was a very good second answer which spoke about sort of parallels that could be drawn between the Quick Dress Act and what sociology has to offer, and the sorts of things that young people should be looking for and at when they are studying sociology.